a really fun video for you today. I'm going to be doing a flip through of my progress so far in my December daily. So, excuse again my voice. I have a little bit of a cold. My husband and I just got back from a vacation. We went to the snow. We went to northern Arizona and it was really, really beautiful. I think I got a little bit of a cold and a scratchy voice, so just please bear with me. But I wanted to do a really quick flip through of what I've done so far in my December daily. I've mentioned this so many times on my channel. Anybody can do a December daily. You don't have to make it a stressful thing. The creator of December daily is Allie Edwards, and I'm going to link her YouTube channel below. She's incredible. She created the December daily for basically documenting your everyday in December. But you don't have to do it that way. You can make it customized to how your life is. If it's busy, if you only do stuff certain days, you can do that. And I have it to where I don't do something every single day in December that I want to document, but there are days that I want to document multiple pages. So that's kind of how I'm doing it. I've done simple December dailies for the past several years, and I've always used those little photo albums that you can get with like the 25 pages. It's so simple, and I'm going to link all those below just in case you want to do it that way. This year, if you caught it, I made these Christmas junk journals using one paper collection. And it was so much fun, so easy and so quick. So I decided to use one of those as my December daily this year. So also stay tuned to the end of the video regarding something special about these 5 junk journals. I'm here to do a little flip through. I've only gotten through a few days in December, and I want to show you what I have so far. I have got journaling I still have to fill in, all that kind of stuff. We're in the middle of December already, and it's okay. You don't have to stress out about this. You can start your December album the last day of December if you want, and just go into your smartphone, check your dates, your pictures. It'll kind of, refresh your memory of what you did on those days. Send your pictures, to be printed, and just start gluing them in and journaling. It's something you can do in a weekend. You don't have to keep up with it every day if you're too busy. So today's Sunday. I don't know what day you're going to be watching this video, but I just took the morning and I just put a few more pictures in here, so I want to show you what I've gotten so far. So I just used these stickers. They kind of look like candy canes, and I had them in my stash. December 2019. Like I said, I made this junk journal. If you missed this video, I'll link it at the end, plus I'll link it below for you, just in case you want to go watch it so you can make one of these for yourself. So here it is. Here's my cover. Very simple. Here I left blank. It says Merry Christmas, and I just stuck a picture in here. I took this on my front porch one evening of the sunset and our Christmas lights, and I put Happy December on there on Instagram, and then I've got some journaling cards in here. So, like I said, you make your own rules. So my December daily actually starts before December. My nephew and I went Black Friday shopping. I still need to finish the title and make it more cute and do my journaling here. So see, I'm already behind, but that's okay, because it's so fun to be able to just relax with your coffee and do some December journaling. So like I said, my nephew and I went Black Friday shopping. As you can see in this picture, he was very successful. He saved his money all year. We had such a great time. We got a slushie at Target. We went to Denny's for hot cocoa. We hit all the stores, and it was just so much fun. So I definitely want to document that. That same day, my husband and I finished our tree, putting our tree up and all the decorations. So I just got a little shot here of that. And I just layered some scrapbook paper behind it. So again, I want to journal about the tree because it's my most favorite Christmas decoration. And then over Thanksgiving break, again, this is my hubby. We went to IHOP for some hot cocoa. And of course we got like the fun pancakes that they have. And so now we start December, and I use these stickers. These are like cute little glitter stickers. I got them from Target last year, so they're really handy. And on this day, I just did some wrapping. I wrapped all day long, and it felt so good. Those are the 5 samples of the wrapping paper, and I put this on Instagram as well. I just cut little squares out showing the samples that I used. I might actually put the real samples in here as well. I can make like a little pocket and stick them in there. And then I just put a little picture of one of the gifts I wrapped. And I got this idea from Rebecca Hoot. She's an artist here on YouTube and she's incredible. I'll link her channel below as well. And I'm going to be talking about her more in the pictures to come. But she decorates her spread, like she decorates her pages, and then she journals in the spots that she has left. And I think that's genius. I think that looks so artsy and beautiful. So that's what I'm going to do. I kind of decorated it, wrote my title, put some pictures and stickers, and then I'm going to journal in the spots that are left. So as you can see, I skipped to the 4th because, like I said, you don't have to do every day if you don't want to. So the 4th is when I made these fun junk journals, and I want to journal about it here. So I just made 2 pages dedicated to that. And then we jumped to the 6th, and I went for a late night visit to my nephews, and I called my sister and told her I was going to come over and tell them a bedtime story and tuck them in. I just like to pop in and visit them every so often, even though we see each other all the time. But it was fun and cozy, and we told each other Christmas stories, and they laughed, and it was super fun. So I wanted to document that night and journal about it here. And there they are in their pajamas. They're so cute. Okay, so the 7th was Saturday, and this day I had my office Christmas party. It was a very intimate setting. It was so much fun. It was just our department, and I used that cute sticker. And also on Saturday was full-blown tea preparation, because I have a Christmas tea every year on either the 1st or 2nd Sunday of December, and the Saturday before I dedicate to prepping for it. So here I am getting my table ready. And then the 8th, my favorite day of December, was my Christmas tea. So this is, I did several pages for my Christmas tea, and this is like my tray that I designed, my little board that I had up. And here's all my guests. I invite the women in my family. So it's my sister Bree, my sister Ginger, my mother-in-law, my grandma, my aunt, and my mom. And they're holding up their gifts that I gave them. And these gifts were handmade by Rebecca Hoot. I ordered them from her shop in time to give them to all my guests. They are Christmas junk journals and a Christmas hand-painted ornament. So excited to be able to gift them those handmade items. So I'll link Rebecca's channel below. She's so talented. So as I said, I have way more tea pictures here that I printed. So I made a little pocket. And here's my invitation, and then another picture. I just made a little a flip out page with the washi tape. And then here we are now. So this would be like the 9th and 10th, and that's the days my husband and I went on our little vacation. So we left on the 9th, and I will be documenting several pages for our vacation, but that's where I'm at. I'm only on the 9th of December. And that's okay, because I'm going to catch up when I have time. So I hope you enjoyed that flip through. And I promised you at the end of the video that I had an announcement regarding these 5 junk journals. So I'm going to be selling these here on my channel. So here are the simple rules. I'm going to leave my email in the description below. This is going to be US only, PayPal only, and you're going to get one of these junk journals. Some of them have stickers through them, some of them don't. But I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I did put some stickers in some of these, and some of them don't have any stickers. But that's okay, because you're going to be able to decorate it yourself, because every single one of these junk journals is also going to come with this bag right here, filled to the brim with ephemera, stickers, just all kinds of goodies to decorate your December daily. So you're also going to get either a die cut set or a sticker set that has numbers 1 through 25, and I'll include that in this bag as well. What I'll probably do with these bags is release the gussets to make them bigger and flat so I can fit more goodies in there. So each one of these is going to come with a surprise bag of goodies to decorate your December daily, and of course one of these Christmas junk journals handmade by me. So this is going to be $45 shipped, and it's going to be priority shipping. So like I said, I've got 5 of them here. It's going to be first come, first serve. If you are interested in purchasing one of these, please be prepared to pay within 1 hour of my email back to you with the link. Because if you don't pay within that hour, I'm going to move on to the next person. I'm so sorry I have to do it that way, but there's limited amounts, and I know that you guys want these before December's over. So that's what they're going to be. I'm going to leave all my information and everything in the description below if you have any questions. And I hope that you enjoyed the flip through of my progress for my December daily so far. And I hope that you all have a great week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!